So people ask me, are you starting this school all on your own? And thankfully I can say no. We are supported and connected in a variety of ways. First, we're under the umbrella of the National Association of University Model Schools International. This is our parent organization that gives us support, mentoring, certification, and eventually we'll get our accreditation through them with a Cognia. NAUMS has also given us summer training opportunities and relationships with 80 other university model schools around the country. It's interesting, we are the first and only university model school in the Low Country and the second in the state. There's 2 in Greenville. So our school, Hope Scholars Academy, also has oversight that includes collaboration between local churches, business people, and nonprofit leaders. We have an advisory board made up of leaders in their fields around the nation that are giving us oversight. This includes leaders in public relations, nonprofit law, new school startups, and Christian school coaching. We are a registered 501c3 nonprofit, and we're beginning collaborations with area nonprofits like Mission Charleston, along with Charleston Southern University, to provide opportunities for our students. Finally, there's a network of prayer and financial support that is undergirding the startup. Many friends and people interested in Christian education are daily praying and sacrificially giving to ensure that this school has a strong beginning.